you have seen from the title and the thumbnail, this is the simplest strategy there is out there. Whether you're a beginner trader or a pro trader, let's look at how we arrived on this trade. Alright, so this is called the high of week reversal pattern. Now, to understand the high of week reversal pattern, it's good to understand where the high and the low of the week is. So the high and the low of the week is set on Monday. And then it can be moved. So if Tuesday breaks out or prints the high, it moves with price. So we can continue pushing the high or pushing the low, depending on where price is headed. Now, another thing that is very important is that we want to trade when price comes to either the extreme. So nothing inside, all of the trading is happening outside of that high and that low. Another thing that's very important is that we don't trade just any time we come to the screen. We have a specific timing window, and let me draw these lines to elaborate. So we have 3 timing windows. So for Asia, which is the first one, it is from 8 to 11 p.m. New York time. And then for London, it is from 2 to 5 a.m. New York time. And then for New York, it's the complete opposite of Asia, 8 to 11 a.m. New York time. Now, these timing windows are very important. Now, we need to only pay attention to the last 2 hours. So if it's 8 to 11, then I pay attention to 9 to 11, and then from 3 to 5 or from 9 to 11. And I am looking for a very specific thing. I am looking for a breakout out of the high. Let's delete this rectangle. And then I am looking for a reversal. Simple. So a breakout and a reversal candle. So this can happen in Asia, can happen in the London session, or even in the New York session. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that we have a high of week in place, and we have in our timing window in the last 2 hours. So anytime in the last 2 hours of the timing window, I am looking for this breakout and then a reversal. This is my signal. So let's look at this in real time. So let's delete all this. And we draw our timing window. So we want to focus from 9 to 11. Because this is the timing window. This is when I start looking for my setup. Now, this is the high of the week, because this is Monday. So the high of the day is also the high of the week. We have the high of the week prior to the session. So we break out in the second hour, first 15-minute candle. And then the next candle is a reversal. So when I say a reversal, it's opposite. So this is what we call a failed breakout. It failed to continue higher. So now we have a potential for a reversal. Now, once I see this, I go to the 5-minute time frame, and this is simplified. This is oversimplified. I am using the simple moving average of 20 and 5 minutes. Now, the entry is very simple. I want you to imagine that this line, this moving average, is our atmosphere. And if we are above it, we are in space. Now, we want to enter when price breaks the atmosphere. And now we are going down like crazy astronauts coming from space. Now, so we see that price just touches the atmosphere. All right. The next one breaks it. So this candle that breaks the atmosphere, then that is my entry. I have my stops above that level, and I'll be targeting the low of the week, which is also the low of the day. And now this is the sea level, so we want to come crashing down into the sea. And that is how price action behaves. If you want to learn more about this strategy, there's a link for the free mentorship. It will be in the description. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe, comment your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.